Alright, let's fill in our multiplication chart together. We know anytime that we do our multiplication chart, we're always going to start with our ones box. So let's fill in the ones. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to do the column as well, up and down. Back at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we skip to our tens. They're easy to count by. Let's go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now we're going to go across at the bottom. Same thing, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, the next one that we're always going to do is we're going to go to our fives because they're easy to skip count by as well. So find your 5 at the top and let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50 is already filled in. We're going to do the 5 side to side as well, the rows. So find the 5 on the side, and let's go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 is written for us, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50 is filled in. All right, 2s are also easy to skip count by, so that's going to be the next thing that we always do. So let's go to our 2s. We're going to go to the top and start at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is already filled in, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Now let's go to our row side to side, back to the 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10's filled in, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20 is there. All right, now we're going to go to our 9s. Remember we talked about there's a trick for the 9s. It has a pattern. So look at your 9. 9's there, 18 is there. Right underneath the 18, we're going to start our pattern. Notice in our ones place, we've got a 1. We're just going to keep filling in the tens place has a 1. We're just going to keep filling in the tens place. So we've got 1, then 2, 3, 4's there, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to go back to the top and we're going to count backwards. For our ones place, notice it goes 9, 8. We're going to go 7, 6, 5 is there, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we have got our 9s filled in. Okay. We're going to do the same thing with the 9s in the row at the bottom. So let's find our 9s on the side. 9 is there, 18 is there. So we're going to go 1. Hold on, my pen messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. 5, 6, 7, 8 is there, 9 is there. Okay, go back. Let's do the 10s place. Remember, we're counting backwards. We had 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 is filled in, 4, 3, 2, and 1 and 0 are already filled in. So there's our 9s trick. We don't have much more to go. There is also a trick for our 8s. It's a little bit more complicated. So you can either use this trick or you can count by 8 and add 8 each time for each box. So here's the trick if you want to use it. It has a pattern, but there's one trick. You have to remember that we have to double the 4. So it's kind of like the 9s. We have a 1, we go 2. Pen's not working. We go 2, 3, 4 is already there, but you have to double the 4. There's a second 4. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you stop. Now for your tens place, you can start at the bottom instead of the top and count by 2s. Notice it goes Let me get my highlighter where you can see. It goes 0, 2. So if we're counting by twos, after 2 goes 4, 4, 6, 8. Then it starts over. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay? So we're going to do that trick again with the row so that we get it down pat maybe. Let's look over here on the side. Okay, so back here, we're at the 8s. We've got a 1. We're going to go 2, 3, double the 4. So we've got 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to start on that same side and count backward, or we're going to count by 2. So we've got 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Starts over. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so now we've got our 8s filled in. The rest of them don't have tricks. You just have to count by groups of whatever size you're adding. So if we go to our 3s next, starting here at our 3s, we've already got 3, we've got 6. So if we put 6 in our head and count up, 7, 8, 9. Put 9 in our head, 10, 11, 12. 15 is filled in, so put 15 in your head. 16, 17, 18. 18, 19, 20, 21. 24 is already filled in, put it in your head. 25, 26, 27. Then you can either recount those or just copy what you wrote down to fill in your 3s this direction. So it goes 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and 24. Okay, now we have 4s, 7s, and 8s left to go. So we're going to go back to our 4s, starting up here. There's no fancy trick, you just have to add 4 each time. 4, 8, and 12 are filled in, so we're going to put 12 in our head and count up 4. 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, let me change colors. 20 is there, add 4. 21, 22, 23, 24. Add 4 more. 25, 26, 27, 28. 32 is filled in, add 4 more. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Now we're going to go and fill in the 4s row. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. We need 24, 28, and 32. Okay, we're almost done. Let's go to our 6s. We're going to have to count up by 6 this time. Skip all the way down to 30. 30 plus 6 would be 36. 36 plus 6. So let's count up. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. There's 48. We're going to go 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. And then we're going to go and fill in the 6th row as well. So skipping all the way over to 36. After 36, I had written down 42 and then 48, and that's filled in. Okay, let's go to our 7s. We're all the way at 42. We need to add a group of 7. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. 56 is already filled in. Let's add 7 to it. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. Let's fill in our 7s row. There's only one missing right here. So we're going to go to 49 and add a group of 7. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. And there's only one box missing right here. It is 9 times 8. So if we look at our 9s trick again, we had 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So we know this one would be 2. And then we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know this one would be 7. So 72. And now we're done with our multiplication chart.